Yeah, hello, Professor. My name is Abdulgafar Tolari with student ID 101462570. So I'll be showing you my portfolio, and this is from the web from the site that it was created. It was actually created from WordPress, and yeah, I have I have my admin post which was the element that was made to edit all these posts one after one. So I did my this is just the watermark for my name, and I did the header of about contact and my phone number and my email here. And I have the hello, I am Abdulgafar Tolari. So we're working with clients and community. We deliver master plans that create vibrant new places space, and attract people and encourage investment. So this is contact me. If I'm still gonna show this in the normal page. So this is contact me. Then we can a professional web developer with over 2 years of experience in creating modern, responsive and high-performing website, which we talk about the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, and PHP. And with the WordPress, this is the WordPress that I actually use. And I was learning about Tailwind too, and as a very level one seller on, and I do my stuff on Fiverr as well to help. I have a successful delivered project ranging from company website to multiple vendors like e-commerce platforms and customs and REST or JS applications. So I used to do those stuff as well because I started my programming journey when I was around about 5 years ago. So it makes me a little bit more interactive with a lot of stuff that I do when it comes to programming. So, and I'm also a university student with a keen interest in virtual application programming, networking, and operating system, constantly expanding my technical skills. And I started studying a lot about Ultima because I started studying about machine learning as well recently, just for me to have more idea about the new word about whatever the new word is going to right now. So let's dive into it. And this is my technical expertise, right? So, experience in computer programming dedicated to deliver innovative tech solutions. And I have my programming language. I'm very proficient in Python. I know, like Python is one of my favorite language, and that is why we actually divert our capstone projects to Python because that is where I have more strength. I believe in my strength in when it comes to Python and yeah and JavaScript and but Python is my very good strength when it comes to that. And and for the frameworks as well, so we use a lot of AWS, which is the Amazon Web Server, and with the experience with Git and Docker, so Jenkins as well is one of my favorite stuff. So we use most of those things in our upcoming capstones project as well. So I did the database because I have to get my knowledgeable in my SQL and MongoDB as well. Then I have my soft skills in team compilation, problem solving, and effective communication and time management as well. Because I was actually helping one company then that was in Montreal, so I was just kind of volunteering for them. So, and my education and certification, I have my national diploma in computer programming and George Brown, and my certification in Linux, DevOps certified and computer programming analysis and diploma. And I'm still going ongoing, continuous expanding skills through online courses and industry conferences as well. And I have my award within the company that I was working with then, so they just honored me with the Prestigious Dean, and I got the Prestigious Dean Award in my first semester in 2023. and the industry recognized most promising young developer by leading tech publication. That was Softmark. I was working with the company then, Softmark. Then I have then the active contribution to open source project and mentor for aspiring improvements as well. And this is the previous work that this was actually finished. I should have put my capstone here, but I didn't put the capstone because it was still ongoing project for me. So you can see my name here. So this was actually the work that I did one time. So, but I'm still gonna run this. I'm gonna let this run. So in once I open my main page and stuff. So this is just showing you where everything was actually done. And I have my phone number, my email, my LinkedIn account was linked to it, my phone number, my GitHub was linked to it, and have my data source that was inside this code as well. If by any chance you want to download it or you want to see whatever I did here as well, there's some stuff inside there as well. So, and this was where my content was uploaded. That was my HTTP content. That was when it was uploaded, and everything. I have my domain too because I just did my domain. I want because I might be using this stuff, and this is I register my domain, and this is actually the portfolio that I created, right? Wise.tech, because I should have used my name, but the problem because I can't validate my name, so I have to use the one that the domain was actually provided for me. But this was actually my portfolio here right now. So just showing you, I'm just showing that how everything was done. So let me say as like maybe I run my portfolio as Wise the static. So I have my portfolio that is gonna come. So and it's gonna be there for as much as a couple of years, right? So I have my portfolio as Abdul Tawala Abdul and everything here it's actually good. Once I start clicking everything, so it gives me back to my my contact info here, but even though when I click home it's gonna give me back to and once I click my about, it shows me my about and it tells everything about me and some stuff like that, and my contact too is gonna take me to where my contact really was. um, you can easily download my resume and my cover letter as well. So and this was actually the project that was done, and once I run the project it was actually it's gonna show you what I did in my project then, and this project was a very big project for me because it was web application. So we are trying to build we try to build a web for plane. So for someone that can book a flight and whatever we did in that project was what we did in that project. It takes about 10 minutes for the project to read and everything on that project. So this was everything that I did. And I had my cover letter and my resume was there as well. For whatever the professor wanted us to do. And this was actually my portfolio. And that's what I'm just gonna be explaining on my portfolio right now. Um, I'm hoping to learn more if I have any mistake and everything that I still have to update on my portfolio. I'll be waiting to get the feedback. Thank you, Professor.